Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go ahead and give this video a big like. So today we have the weekly heat.
Weekly
Weekly
heat.
heat, baby. So kicking off, we're starting off with this Jordan 1 Low Fierce Pink. This is a hot pink. This may be a good summer shoe and also back to school. Now keep in mind this is only for grade school. So don't sleep on these if you want them. At a price point of $90, wow, can't beat that. Go and snatch these up. Shoe features a pink, white, and black, predominantly white upper, that pink swoosh, black on the back, black outsole. So that's real good because you don't have to worry about the bottoms getting dirty. But that white midsole, that may be a problem for some people. They might get scuffs on them. This is a beautiful sneaker, in my opinion. These shoes released on July 24th for a retail price of $90. You want to snatch them up, sneakerheads.
Yeah. Hey, let us know if y'all rocking these or dropping these. Hey, on the 24th of July, we have the Air Jordan 6, the lows. Asking price for those, they're going for 140. These are grade size shoes. Like bros mentioned, I can see this more being a fall shoe or the color blocking. Colors is fierce pink, white, and black. Hey, let us know if y'all rocking these or dropping these.
So moving on to our last shoe, we do finally have the Jordan 1 Low UNC to Chicago.
Yes,
These
sir.
been pushed around back and forth, but they are finally releasing. Now keep in mind, this is a woman sizing. So if you're a big footer, I'm sorry to tell you, you may not be able to fit these. They did not come in extended sizes. So the biggest size for men will be a 10.5. I do expect 10 buff to sell out, but I do expect 10 and under to sit. Now keep in mind, this shoe is already going for under retail on StockX. So only time will tell to see how these will do. But if you want them, put in your footwork and snatch them up, sneakerheads.
Hey, let us know if y'all rocking these or dropping these. Yes, sir. Hey, and if you like content like this, hey, check out this video right here.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.